Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. So Isha this side, and today I am talking about one important function in Excel, which is TEXTJOIN. The basic purpose of this function is to club the different values, text, strings available in different cells and club it and bring it into a single cell. This function comes very handy when you are working with both SQL as well as Excel. Let me show you how. This is one function that I use it on daily basis. Say this is some random data set. There is one column of ticket ID and some related details in other columns. A lot of times in SQL query, I just need to pull this ticket IDs list, some primary ID column list, and then put it in SQL formula. How can I do it? I use TEXTJOIN, separated by delimiter or any separator, which is comma, because in SQL query we need to put all the IDs separated by a comma. So here I am using my delimiter as comma. The second thing it's asking for is true if you want to ignore empty cells, and you can select false if you want to keep empty cells. And last thing it's asking for is the range. The range where you want to select all the values. So if you see, I have the 500 rows of data. So I can select A2 to A500, or how many values are needed as per your requirement. So this formula has given me all the values of this ticket ID separated by a comma. What I'll do next is I'll copy this value and go to my SQL query. I'll write my SQL query and then put this value in my in function. So this function comes very handy when you are dealing with both SQL and Excel, and this one function can make your work very easy. So I hope you find it useful, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.